Okay, Raju. So the first very traditional question that I want to ask from you is, please tell something about yourself.
Yes, sir. Uh, Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Raju Mato, and I am from Jamshedpur. Now I am studying in Bachelor of Computer Application from Netaji Subhash University, Jamshedpur, and I am done my intermediate from Golmuri Utkal Samaj Inter College, and also done my matriculation from Golmuri Utkal Samaj Inter College. I am done one internship from PHN Technology, which, yes, sir,
No, no, it's okay. You continue. You may continue.
I am done one internship from PHN Technology, which is web development internship, which has I am work as a front end, and I am done another internship from RDN Computec Private Limited, which is Java development internship, which has I am learn many technologies, Java and its framework Java Swing, and which are used to done some basic projects. And coming to my technical skills, I have in my academics I am learn many technologies which are Java, C++, and DVMS. But I have good knowledge in Java. In
Okay. Okay,
my
Raju, it's good.
strength,
Yes, yes. Yes, continue.
my strengths are I am self-motivated and good learner, and my hobbies is cooking and swimming. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, Raju, good. Okay, if I will say that you just describe yourself in a single word. So how would you describe? Yes, in a single word.
Mm,
For example, if someone asks me that because you may describe yourself in a single word, then I may say that I'm a logical person, or I'm a balanced person and try to maintain my personal life and my professional life. Okay, so in this way you can say that you just describe yourself in a single word.
I am a logical person.
Okay, logical person. Okay, good. Uh,
Yes.
okay, what's your weakness?
Now I have no any weakness, but in future any weakness I in future I come my in future come my any weakness, then I am work on it, and in faster way it's resolved.
Oh, uh, basically it's a tricky question. आप नोट डाउन भी करते
Yes.
जाइए इन क्वेश्चंस को, ऑल्दो आई विल प्रोवाइड द रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो, बट you have to check because you cannot say that you don't have any weakness. Generally all persons are having some weakness, but you have to think that what answer should be given in this. Okay, you may note down the questions. Okay, so my next question from my side is, what is your long term goal? You are studying BTech or BCA, or you are doing graduation. So what's your long term goal?
My long term goal is I am well settled, and I am work in MNC's companies and well position.
Okay, and what is that mean by a well position? So
Well position means a good
which kind of
position.
position you have dreamed of?
So now I am not now I am don't about these positions. When I go company, then see which position is good, which position is uh,
Okay, so
some good.
you mean
So
to say that you currently have not very much information about the positions, but when you will join the company, then you will you will do analysis for that positions. Okay, okay, it's okay. So
yes,
we'll come to the technical part now. What is a global variable, Raju?
a global variable is a variable which is declared outside the method or inside a class, and which is declared which is called inside the method or inside which is called any method of the class.
Okay, it is available to any method of this class, any method of the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what is a static variable?
Static variable is a variable which cannot be override or change because it is a fix.
Mm, okay, what is a volatile variable?
um, Volatile. Sorry, sir, but now I know it, but now I am not recall the.
Okay, so you are knowing, but at this time you are not able to recall. Okay, not an issue. What
Yes,
is recursion?
recursion is it is a function. It is called itself. It is called itself. For example, any class which has a method, and this method call itself inside the block of the method, so it is a recursion.
Okay, you mean to say that if a function calls itself, uh, then either directly or indirectly, then it is called recursion, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What kind of data structure we generally use for recursion?
uh, Data structure is
Right.
stacked data structure is used for recursion.
Okay. And how the insertion and the extraction is done from stack? Which terminology is used? LIFO or FIFO?
So it is used the leave for last in first out.
And what do you mean by that last in first out? What is
For
LIFO?
example, for example, we collect plates in a table. First tables put, and after that second. This is the after completing the tables, putting in a table. After that, it's
Okay, so you mean to say that the element that is inserted last we extract first, right? The
yes,
last
sir.
element is being extracted from stack first. Okay, no issue.
Yes.
Uh, what are the basic operation that is performed by the stack?
Basic of insertion, deletion, or is stack full.
Okay. Insertion, deletion, you may also say that push and pop, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Raju, it's good that you had given good answers. Next question from my side is what is an operating system and how it is
And
important?
operating system.
Yes. What do you understand by the operating system?
Operating system is a system which is a software uh, which is used to computer decided which tasks perform in which time.
Okay. And basically, it's a collection of
And
software programs, right? And it
yes,
is
sir.
used for allocation, and
Yes,
it is used to collaborate, perform collaboration between the hardware and the software, the processing unit, the peripheral devices, right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Can you
there are
give can
two
you give some
types.
examples of operating system?
So now I am not recall the examples of
You
this
are using
operating.
the operating system. Windows, is Windows an operating system?
Yes,
Yeah.
Windows is operating system, Linux,
DOS.
and
DOS
other.
is also an operating system.
Which, sir?
DOS, disk operating system. DOS. Okay, what
Yes,
do
sir.
you mean by context switching?
Context switching is a switching when one process is executing and some process are not available, then it is stop. Then which task is executing, then it is load, and another process is coming to the executing, then which process are unload, and then second task is executing. After that second task, some resources are not available, then it is go the outside the process, then it is again load, and first process is coming to the execution part, then it's again unload. This is a context switching. So this process is known as context switching.
Okay. Okay. Now, what is a non-preemptive scheduling?
Non-primitive scheduling.
Yes.
Hmm. Non-primitive scheduling, when there when one task is executing, they give some times for execute, and another process is starting. This is known as non-primitive scheduling.
Yes. So basically, it is a time sharing system. A process or a thread is assigned some time, some fixed amount of time based on the implementation of the operating system or the JVM. It is assigned some time frame, and it performs the operation within that time frame only, right? And what is
Yes,
the
sir.
opposite of non-preemptive scheduling?
Primitive scheduling is a scheduling when one process is executing, then first process is complete the execution, then another process is starting. There are many types of FCF, first come first serve, and s- sorted. This is for
Okay. Okay, Raju, what are the different types of memory?
memory. Sorry, sir. It is not. Now I am not. I know, but now I am not recall this.
Okay, you are not able to recall. Basically, there are many kinds of memory that our computer provides. It may be main memory, secondary memory, cache, or internal processor memory, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, would you please tell me about the thread?
Thread. Net. Uh, thread is a thread is a small unit of a process which is executed at a time.
Okay. Okay. So, the last question from my side for you, Raju. You have given good answers. Some part you have to do uh, uh, some part you have to learn in better way. So,
Yes.
last question from my side is: what is your objective in life?
Object in life.
How do you plan for a life? Means, what do you want to become in a life in your life? Basically, it's an open-ended question. That's why I want to listen from your side,
Yes, sir.
because many
Sir,
persons, generally many persons are having objective that they want to enhance their technical skill, they want to increase their knowledge base, they want to work on their weak points, they want to include leadership qualities in their habits. So, what is your objective?
mm, sir, my objective is I I become an good person and good for everyone.
Okay,
And
it's good. It's a very ethical answer. Good. And
and
okay, Raju, no issue. It was good to hear from your side. You are prepared. You have done. You had tried a good effort from your side.